Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I was going to make a start on my seat belt fitting installation malarkey, but I'm not going to do that today for two reasons. One, can't be bothered. Two, because of the contents of this box. So, do you remember Paul Pfaff sent me a glove box door? And at that time I was building the glove box, you know, the internal part of the glove box. Well, he had actually sent me this, hoping that it would arrive before I'd made the glove box itself. Because this is a very nice glove box liner. Now, if that had arrived before I'd made the glove box, then I could have measured this to fit. As it is, I've got a feeling that the glove box that I made is a bit deeper than this. Now, I'd rather not trim this because it's already got the cutouts. It's exactly the right glove box liner for a 36 Chevy. So as I say, it would be much easier if this is too deep just to trim this round, basically follow these notches. But that would be a shame. But then again, it's going to be pretty hard to completely redesign my glove box. I'd hate to cut something up that somebody had spent their hard-earned money and sent to me. So let's start by removing the glove box and just seeing where we stand with it, okay? Because of the way I installed this box, it's only held in with 2 screws at the side. So it shouldn't take but a jiffy. And then the whole thing should just come out. Right, over to the bench. Okay, I can tell straight away this is going to be too deep. Let's see how too deep it is. Oh, it's close. It's really close. Let me just whip off this catch. It's a little bit, my glove box is a wee bit narrow. Not by much though. Ugh. It's basically cardboard with felt, so it does have a certain amount of flex, but is it enough? So close. No, I can't decide. Because really, all I really have to do, if I want to not change this box, then I could just cut down there, open it up. In fact, you know what? I could actually just cut this off. Now that I've got this box, I don't need the back end. If I just cut this off here and then slide this further down, that'll save weight as well. Yeah, let's do that. Right, let's see how this fits in now. Try not to cut all the wires at the back. Okay, I just need to back off this catch that I just installed. It's getting snagged on the frame. The notches at the bottom of this liner are not quite wide enough for this hinge, which is a shame. So I need to trim them, and I think that's just it's just been miscalculated, this liner, because they should both be out about 1/2 inch outwards. So it's not allowing the catch to close because it's pushing back on the hinge itself. I'll just give you a closer look what I'm talking about. So these are the notches in the liner. As you can see, they're not wide enough for these, because once that section goes over, I've marked there with a Sharpie where the notches have to be. As you can see, that is top of that hinge there is going to need to go down there. So that's one design flaw. That's a stock hinge, so there's no problem with the hinge itself. Might be worth telling the company actually. So I'll whip it out, cut these notches, and hopefully it'll go straight back in. Right, let's try that again. I've cut my notches, probably didn't need to go as long as that, but hey, I definitely had to trim a little bit off each side. Okay, take two. Hopefully that's that. Yes. Would you like a closer look? There we go. I didn't destroy it too much. Marked it up a little bit down there, but that's okay. Isn't that nice? I can put my documents back in. Lovely. So there we go. Another easy job done, another difficult job avoided. Okay, let me show you why I've not started the seat belts yet. Disaster on my bench. I've got to clear that up. But I really need to pull the car outside and get at it, you know? So that's why I've not done it. And it's really cold outside. Oh, you know what? Enough excuses. I was out in the snow this time last year building a frame, so what's wrong with me? I need to grow up here. Right, that's all I'm going to do today, except my son might be getting a new car tonight. So at the end of the video, I'll maybe do a little pan round of his new car if he gets it, so stay tuned for that. So, thank you, Paul, very much appreciated. Paul bought me that glove box liner, and he didn't even get one for himself. Maybe I'm the guinea pig. Regardless, thanks very much, Paul. Brilliant. And also, just a quick shout out to Al at Hook's Hot Rods again. He's painted his truck cabin You've got to go and see that. It's going to be so nice, and I can't wait to go cruising with you. And also Andrew, if you're watching, Andrew's got the lead sled gangrene. And even if we just get some cruising in, regardless of shows, it'll be pretty good fun. Okay, folks, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Remember, stay tuned at the end and maybe, hopefully, see a new car in the family. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.